Nice.
Hey y'all, watch this transition real quick though.
Wow.
Man, you know that transition was sweet though. I know what you're thinking, man. That transition was fire, right? Learned it from TikTok. We almost got 10K. Make sure you go follow that. Alright, but like for real, what's good YouTube? We back. Don't mind the beanie. I'm looking like Knuckles from Hunter x Hunter. If you know, you know. But you know how you be at home and your mom be like, we got food in the fridge. Like, come on, like the food in the fridge is like a peanut butter jar. Like, come on. But anyways, that all ends today. Because today we're going to be whooping up in the kitchen. Making hella snacks. Well, not hella snacks, but like, you'll see when we get downstairs. But make sure you subscribe, like, share. Do what you got to do. Your boy trying to hit 1K by the end of the month. Well, not the month, by summer. So let's make that happen, you know. And one more transition before we go. I'm going to transition myself downstairs. Watch this. So I learned it from TikTok. Watch this. All right, just like that, we're in the kitchen.
Incredible.
So today we're gonna make a cinnamon toast crunch milkshake, and for that you need a blender, vanilla ice cream, cinnamon toast crunch cereal, and milk. All right, y'all, we are at the blender, and once you have your blender, you wanna take off the cap. And the first thing you want to do is grab your cereal. And just want to put some in. Just not a lot. Like about to like where it's like right here, like 1/4. I think that's good. Just a little bit. Alright, that's done. Now we got our ice cream. And what you're going to do is make sure it's vanilla. So you want to put some
Nice.
scoops in there. Big scoop. 2 more. Not as big. Oh, not as big as the other one. And 1 more medium one. And that's the ice cream. Make sure it's like a little bit, not all the way to the top, but a little, a decent amount. Finally, we have the milk. And for this one, you want to put about 16, where it says 16, 24-ish cups in the middle of it. So let's just do that. So I gotta watch. Just put a little more. Alright, we're done with those steps. Now it's time to blend. Alright guys, we had to move locations because this is about to be kind of loud. Not that loud, but once you got it, what you want to do is I'm gonna put it to see milkshake. It says milkshake in the blender. So hold it tight. AD turn up. And got it. Ready? Nobody left. It's editing PJ here, and I'm here to tell you this dummy blended it for too long. It's supposed to be 3 to 5 seconds. So please don't blend it for this long. I'm so stupid, bro. Alright guys, I think it's done. So we're gonna head back upstairs and see how this tastes. Let's get it. Alright guys, we are upstairs now, and we're just gonna do a little taste test because we have a second snack that we're gonna do, but I just wanna see how it tastes. Alright. It's a little milky. Maybe I could have put more ice cream to make it more smoothie. So let's see how it is. Might be just a drink. You know? But this is alright, you know.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
It might have a little bit chunks in there, as you can see. Yeah, maybe we could could have made more, put more ice cream in it to make it more chunky. But honestly, it's like you eating cereal. It's like just like just eating normal Cinnamon Toast Crunch, just drinking milk. So yeah, we'll save it for later. We're gonna put it in the fridge or freezer, to make it more solid. All right, guys, I put the milkshake in the bottle because I blended it for like too long. It was supposed to be like 5 seconds because the ice cream just turned into liquid. So make sure when you're blending it, make sure you do like 3 or 5 seconds because I messed up. So yeah, put it in the fridge. Let's make the other snack. All right, guys, for our last snack of the video. I know the milkshake, I kind of messed up. You see where I was trying to go, so we're gonna make it easier. We got our own campfire to make s'mores, right? Y'all can see what it is. Perfect, sharpen image, s'more maker. Got the s'more maker here, right? So all you need is this graham cracker, Hershey, and some marshmallows. Link in description will be in this. No sponsor. It just the machines help me cook, so you can say that. So let's get straight into it. Once you get your s'more maker here, what you want to do is plug it in and then turn it on, and then we're gonna wait until it gets like red, like the heat come closer. As you can see, it's turning red a little bit, but we're gonna wait until like it's like the reddest it can be, like as a picture. It's not gonna be that hot, but it's gonna be pretty hot. So let's wait 10 minutes and see what happens.
A few moments later.
Hey man, 10 minutes has passed.
Oh,
you go boy, if you don't.
Oh shoot.
You play Nintendo Switch for?
Shoot, let me put it in. Hey, if y'all want Nintendo Switch gameplay, like this video. It's 10 minutes is over, and what I did was I made the graham crackers 2 squares, the Hershey's 2 squares, and you got the marshmallows. So what you want to do is grab the marshmallow. Alright, come on. It's crazy easy. Zoom in on this marshmallow effect. So what you're going to do is put it over. Let it burn. Yes, burn. Maybe if I put it in the middle, it'll go faster. Alright, see this marshmallow? Is it burning? Keep going. Alright guys, it finally started burning a little bit, as you can see in the bottom. I don't want to wait waste all the time, so what I'm gonna do is, I think it's pretty good. So once it's like this, well, pretty brown on one side, it's pretty hot altogether. So what you want to do is grab your marshmallow. You're gonna put the chocolate on graham cracker, like that. The marshmallow. Flatten that joint. Yeah. Make sure it's gooey and all that goo.
Pause.
And then, boom. There you go. S'more. Now, let's eat. That's excellent. 8.5 out of 10. Alright guys, we have our full snack. We got the milkshake and we got the s'mores. Chocolatey greatness.
Pause.
So let's take a bite of the s'more. Drink a little bit. Guys, I probably should have put Oreos instead of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That, I don't know what to say, but that. To be 100%, I cannot cook at all. You seen this? Like, what the heck is this? Freaking machine made this for me. So I just appreciate if y'all cook actual food like rice, be whipping in the kitchen. I appreciate it because that takes time, and I don't have that at all. But can we take a sec to realize the little crumb on my chin? Like, how did my cameraman not like warn me of this? He's trash for that. Trash. So yeah, but hey, I can still toast some waffles up, so it's alright. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, what you gotta do. If you want a part 2, you can actually whip it up in the kitchen for part 2, because I can redeem myself. So yes sir, part 2 coming soon. Subscribe, like, let's get 1K by the end of the summer, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace. Alright, Jason, got the cameraman testing out my s'more. Got the milkshake. That's good. Don't spill my milkshake, bro. Damn. Alright, that's pretty good, right? Pretty good?
Bro, this shit is terrible. You cannot cook.